Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach about how to use Capcut to make your text script into short video. So before we start, if you want to learn more, you can check the description and leave a like for this video. So let's start. So basically first you need to have Google Chrome. So you need to open Google Chrome and you type for Capcut. Because this function, for Capcut for online version is only applicable using Google Chrome. So after that, you'll come to the Google Capcut panel and make sure you sign in your account. And next, you can check at the bottom. So you can see this script to video and you can just press in. So after that, you press in the request for video script. You can generate it using the panel down below, or you can generate it using others, for example ChatGPT. So basically let me show you. Hi ChatGPT, to provide me a video script for an adventure in the jungle. Make the script to be short in 150 words. So basically I generate for 150 words to show you the example. Do provide it as paragraph form, not conversation. So let it generate for a while. So I copy a short part on the top because this will require some time. So after that, you can just press it in your video script and you can let the AI to generate. You also can choose for your voice for the video and also the size for long or short form video for YouTube or even TikTok. So you can just generate. So basically this generation takes some time and you can wait for it to complete. So I will just fast forward for this.
In the depths of the lush.
So basically it generates out and it also includes videos, everything AI generated you can see in the video.
Jungle. A team of intrepid explorers in the depths of the lush and tame jungle. A team of intrepid explorers.
So basically this is as a foundation for your video. You also can edit your video. You can insert your own file, your own text, your own animation into the video. So after that, you can just export your video and you also can edit for the caption. So basically that's all for the basic for text to video script. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.